Hello everybody and welcome to another tutorial. In this one we are going to talk about musicality. The first step in being or dancing on music is to find the rhythm. So in today's tutorial I'm going to explain the basics of musicality. And of course there will be other tutorials going more in depth about music theory, and hopefully it will help you understand better the salsa and bachata music so that you will become a better dancer. Let's start. We are going to talk first about the tempo, the notes, and the measures. The tempo is the speed at which a piece of music is played. Meaning, you will see this number over here. It says tempo, 130 beats per minute. That means if I would play 4 kicks, they will repeat themselves at 130 beats per minute. So you would hear these beats 130 times in a minute. If I slow down to 60, then you will hear one beat every 1 second. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So let's go a little bit faster. Let's say 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. 80 beats in a minute. So if 60 means 60 beats in a minute, 120 means 2 beats every second. So you would go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Usually, most songs have a tempo of around 120, 130, 140 beats per minute. Of course, there are slower songs and faster songs. So this is the tempo, the speed at which a piece of music is played. The note is a notation representing the pitch and duration of a musical sound. Is a sign, something that you can look at and understand something. And this is a picture representing those notes. A whole note equals 2 half notes. Of course, 2 halves equal 1 whole note. 1 half note equals to quarter, 1 quarter to eighth, and 1 eighth to 16th. This will help us a little bit later when we will understand the different rhythms or different sounds played by instruments, because an instrument can go like 1, 2, 3, 4, and another instrument can go like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, or another one can go like 1 and 3, 4. But more of this a little bit later. Now let's get to bars or measures. In musical notation, a bar or measure is a segment of time corresponding to a specific number of beats, in which each beat is represented by a particular note value and the boundaries of the bar are indicated by vertical bar lines. What this means is that the bar or the measure is telling us how to read what we see. The time signature is strongly related to the measure, to the bar, because it will tell us how many beats are to be contained in each measure and which note value is equivalent to 1 beat. So in salsa, bachata, kizomba, and almost all the commercial songs, we have a 4/4 time signature, meaning there are 4 notes and each has a quarter note duration per measure. That's about it for today's tutorial. In the next video we are going to play with notes to understand what we hear and what to search when we dance. There will be graphical representations of what we are going to hear, and we will understand how music works.